Hey YouTube listeners, watchers and everybody serious about heavenly stuff. The purpose of this video today is to explain the meaning of Matthew 23:9, which says, and call no man your father upon on earth, for one is your father which is in heaven, which means don't call anybody else on earth father, because you got one in heaven already. Okay, so I just want to explain what exactly that line means, because we all know everybody got dads. There's a male figure in everybody's life, so there's a dad. So that line does not mean you must not call anybody your dad, your father. Okay, I will explain exactly what it means. So now, dads, we got dads everywhere. Now that line comes from the Xhosa language. Now, remember, now all original scrolls were in Xhosa. Watch my other video for proof of that. I'm not giving proof here, just going on through it. So that line comes from the Xhosa language, which was saying, which got two words. That means father, but it's two words meaning the same word, father. Okay, the first one is bawo. Okay, bawo, as you see in Google Translate right in front of you. Bawo means father, and the second one is tata, which means father too. Okay, tata, you can see the tata means father, right? But that first one, bawo, means father too, in the same Xhosa, but it's only used for the heavenly father. So that's what that line means. That line in Matthew 23:9 says, call no man father. That father means bawo, the bawo father, not the tata father, but the bawo father. Okay, don't call anybody on earth bawo. Okay, so all them dads and everybody else, they cannot be called bawo. They're called tata, all right, which means father, but an earthly father, all right. That's what that line means. Okay, this is just clarifying that, so people don't go around talking about you're not allowed to call your dad your dad. No, you call him tata. You don't call him bawo, right? Bye.